it's JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today we're out in the jungle once again, and I'm going to do some light bushcrafting, but I'm going to be using my Cold Steel Recon Scout. This is the modified one, which I've shared before in a previous video. Notice there's no top guard. I'm not bringing out my parang. I didn't bring out my Line Steel M4. I'm using the Recon Scout with my MoraKniv Companion set. So I'll talk a bit about that, and then let's have some fun. Here's a look at my Recon Scout and MoraKniv Companion setup. As you can see, it has a piggy bat sheath system. This is the original sheath from Recon Scout, and this is a custom-made sheath for the Companion. It also has a ferro rod holder and a holder for a lighter, so that's pretty nice. Recon Scout, that's a closer look at the blade. Won't really talk too much about the blade because I've done a video on this before. Check it out in the link in the card above or description below. But of course, the main difference is the removal of the top guard, which allows me to do finer work as kind of an outdoor knife. That clicks into place over here. And over here we have the MoraKniv Companion. So that just slides in, and the reason why this is literally a companion is because it's a much thinner blade, much lighter as well. So for really finer tasks, or when you don't need such a thick blade, then I would work with the companion knife. If I'm doing chopping tasks or battening, then I would use the Recon Scout. And this setup goes on my belt, so it replaces my parang as well as my current belt knife, the Line Steel M4. And I'm just having fun with it today, and we'll do a bit of wood processing and just go around the jungle and use it to its advantages. We're about to make a fire. That's a fire pit over there. We've got a whole bunch of wood processed and ready to go. So kindling and then thicker pieces of wood. We've really tried to feather stick some of them because the wood here is very damp. It's been raining here as well. So hopefully we've processed the wood and it'll be dry enough. Our tinder materials over here as well as a ferro rod, and that's what we're going to use to start the fire. So let's give it a shot. So this is just a quick video documenting my day out with the Recon Scout and the MoraKniv Companion. Definitely very capable knives. Would it replace the parang and my smaller belt knife? It definitely could. I wouldn't have a problem with it. Maybe I'm just more comfortable with the parang in terms of things like clearing, chopping and battening. This is not so much a clearing tool. Definitely can chop, it can batten, but not so much a clearing tool. A parang is still better. So I think a parang is still better all rounded. And I'll probably carry that more often. But I definitely have no problem carrying this. It's quite a pleasure as well. And even though it's a big knife, it's relatively light. It's very nimble. When it's on the belt, I think it feels light as well. So I think in terms of a weight difference, definitely this set will be lighter than the parang and the Line Steel M4. So that's a benefit. It's also kind of together, so it's very easy to access as well. Easy to dismount from the belt as well. So that's my experience with my modified Recon Scout and the MoraKniv Companion as a set. Have you piggybacked any knives together? Do let me know which ones. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.